Hello, Baduk players! Nice to meet you again. Mastering Basic Corner Shapes Step by Step, Chapter 25-26. Finish with two harness. Everyone must have seen this shape at least once in the game. This is a typical shape that an L shape can come from. Actually, this is not a difficult skill, but we make so many mistakes in practice. First, let's get to know the origin shape and learn how to kill it simply. We will master this shape in a few minutes. Let's go. This is a very common shape and it's played quite often. But it's surprising how often players get troubles with this shape. So you need to know just two things, Hane and Hane. I will show you. First, we will see the origin of this shape. You know this shape, a black insert the one stone, then white can move, for example, like this, or invade the corner. Then black would block and honey and connect a center, so black should connect. After that, the kema is nice hangma to save the corner. That's the origin of the shape. So usually white needs to answer and black answer like this or kema. There is no cutting point anymore. But if white doesn't answer, if white plays somewhere, then it's time to kill. We will learn this shape step by step. Solve the problems starting from 1 to 4. But before we start, you should try yourself at least 1 minute. Okay. Number 1. Actually, it's not difficult. I think around double-digit Q level. The easiest way is just push and kill. So if white capture, no worry, you can throw in this group is dead. That's first eye here. You don't need to worry about it. So, but sometimes we play this one. It's also possible, and this and this. You know, that is bent 4 in the corner. So that means this group is dead. But, you know, it's too complicated. If the background, I mean the black's group outside is in danger, then there is trouble. So I recommend you play just reduce and kill. Simple, okay? And how about number 2? Where is the vital point? You know, finding vital point is always like this here, the shape, and always in the middle. So it's not hard to find. So you can play there first, and if white cut, like number 1, you can reduce and kill. Maybe you think about first Atari. That's not good because white can capture if you answer this group is alive. So no reason to play Atari, just like this and reduce, finished. Number 3. Now, how can you kill? We should think always reduce, not inside. Our typical mistake is finding the move inside. Of course, you can kill in this case, but I recommend you the easiest way, just honey. And if white plays there like this, like number 1 and 2, you can kill. Or you worry about this move, but we can find the vital point where, yes, in the middle, you can take the vital point and then push either like this or like this. Is that. Also, you can push from here and then like this. It's also that. So here, don't think about many inside move like this, like this. No? It's possible, but the easiest way is here. If white block, then there are many possibilities. So easiest way is make a here 5 shape, car shape, and the middle. Actually, that's also possible. And here, this is that. Possible. And how about this? This is also possible. And if white plays there, you can kill. Actually, black has more possibilities to kill number 3. But remember, Hane is the easiest way. Okay, this is the origin of the shape. How can you kill? Maybe you know. If you check number 3, then you know the answer. But before we start, where is our typical mistake? This one, attach here. And this sequence I saw so many times, but it's alive. Yeah, only 2 points, but it's alive. Why not killing? So don't do that. Like this. So Hane, but first the lower side here. So the 2 stones are in danger. Usually white answer like this. Then where Hane again. 2 times harness, and then vital point, reduce and kill. Simple. On my opponent's play always there. What should I do? Not so difficult. Just play Hane. That's it. It's that. So if white plays there, that's it. And if white plays there like this, of course it's not easy to find, but it's that. And here, yeah, you can kill. Or something here or so, you worry about that. But there are more possibilities, but easiest way, I think here, Atari. Even white plays there, you can kill, and like that. And if white just connect and connect, this is that. So, here. First, here, Hane, not like this, because then white can make big I shape, big L shape. So, make here L shape, you know. We had a lecture L shape here. I mean, normally that's the typical A shape, but now white has here 1 leg and second leg, but you reduce the second leg with P1, so you can reduce the first leg, then it's L shape. L shape is that. So no worry, just like this, finished. So you should remember 2 times Hane and vital point, finish. Okay, you got it. If you succeed with this shape, please let me know. I will be so happy. See you next chapter. 안녕.